Alright, so this is episode 2 of Maps and Globes, part 2 of 2 for past 6, chapter 1.2. Alright, so these degrees thing might have gotten you confused. A circle, a long time ago, we decided to divide it into little pieces called degrees. Degrees is something like this, you might have seen it in math class. And a really tiny part is 1 degree. A quarter of it is 90 degrees, like this. It's 90 degrees. So this is a 90-degree angle. A flat line is 180 degrees, like that. 180 degrees. I don't know if you can see that. Let me check. All right. A line like this, all the way around to this, that's 270 degrees. Because 90 plus 180 is 270, right? I added another one of these down here. Think of it like a square like that. 90, 90, 90, it's 270. And all the way around is called 360 degrees. So if I turn from here to here, I turn 90 degrees. From here to here, it's 180 degrees. From here all the way around, it's 360 degrees. Maybe if you snowboard or ski, you might have done a 360 degrees turn, or a figure skater can do 360 degree turns. So we divide the Earth the same way because it's a circle. The very middle we call 0 degrees, and it's also called the equator. If you go up a little bit, so think about the Earth like this, flat, from the center of the Earth, and then straight up is 90 degrees. And then it's cut into 90 degrees by 30 degrees, 60 degrees, then the North Pole is 90 degrees. Same thing down. 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and the South Pole is 90 degrees. This is useful to see where things are on Earth. If you ever see a map and you want the location of a place, it'll tell you this, the latitude of where you are, and also the long way, the longitude. Knowing these two things, you can find out where exactly you are on the Earth. Now, this one is easier to know because the equator is right in the middle. We know the orientation of the Earth. But the long way, where do we set 0? That's a more difficult question because there is no actual 0. Anywhere can be 0. But a long time ago, since the English were one of the people that developed this system, we decided to call England through somewhere through England. If you look at the map on page 18, that is 0 degrees. Or we also call it the prime meridian. Now this way, 30 degrees. This way, 60 degrees. And over here, somewhere is 90 degrees. 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and it keeps going. On the other side of the prime meridian, it's another 0 degrees. So, other side of the planet, it starts again. And that is called the international date line. That's where things turn from day to nighttime. Right, I hope that cleared things up.